Hello sizers! In this video you'll learn about two ways of using presets. Let's take a look at the first option. Go to the Preset tab, and from this given list we can build a functional about application. Let's apply these presets. Insert a GIF. In this case, we've chosen Giphy from the given options. We go to the Giphy web page, choose the GIF, copy the link and insert it to the preset. We can check how it works whilst running the application on the screen. You can also see how the mobile application operates by opening QR code, and it works great. Also, if you use Figma, you can select the preferred structure for your future mobile application by highlighting the layout, clicking the share button, and copying the link to insert it to the Sizey to see that the entire structure has been uploaded and the entire code has appeared. Now, to make our folder more functional, let's apply a preset to the selected item. Click on the preset in the window that opens and select any suitable option from the list presented. In our case, these are GIFs. Insert the link, click the play button, and you can notice that everything works fine. See you in the next video.